Hello guys, this is a short lesson to learn how to destroying the session. As the first, after setting the session and logged in, I will add a link to destroying the session. To log out, okay. I will add a link here. This link for logout. I will create me the href for logout.php. Okay, I will create a new page here. I will create a new file, logout.php. logout.php. I will save it and save the file. I will start PHP tags, PHP. I will session start. Then we can destroy our session. We using session destroy and session unset. We using this function. Okay, I will redirect the user to the index page, index.php. This header function is using to redirect user to another page, location, and the URL after this. Okay, let me see. Reload. We have to logout href reload. Okay, profile page will log out. Profile page also, but I need to rename this to username or any another session name. Okay, logout. I have logged out. Okay, it's need to log in. Okay, this destroying my session and I need to log in again. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.